Okay, it's been a while since I did my last video. Here is what happened. 6 weeks ago, my team pulled me out of engineering. They said, do not worry about coding. Go connect with businesses. That conversation is helping us hugely. So I joined our BD and sales teams full-time. And now I'm writing PRDs. Fun aside, working directly with customers has changed many things. 3 things happened quickly. First, we partnered with a 3PL provider with a mandate to modernize forward and reverse logistics with agents. Second, our pilot customer managing assembly operations is phasing out its current software platform and fully migrating to SusTern. Third, we started working through the possibility of a governed orchestration layer for complex logistics operations, where multiple systems, agents, companies, and human decisions have to line up. And here is what became clear. Migration is not just moving data. Production still has to run. Materials still have to arrive. Exceptions still need owners. Customers still need honest updates. That is why this series will focus on real user stories, not abstract AI promises. We will look at one moment in manufacturing, sourcing, logistics, and distribution. What the person is dealing with, what an agent could coordinate, when human judgment matters, and what outcome counts. Next time, the late component that could stop an assembly run. See you soon.